KOAM News now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. A train car derailment here over Turkey Creek. We're on property adjacent to the rail property. So we can observe here a rail car hanging off the west side of the trestle bridge. We're on the east side, and it's dangling over the water, if you can see here. That's the water down there at the bottom of the creek. It appears the platform of that train car is still on the trestle. It's carrying vehicles, cars. And we arrived at about 8:30. Tipsters told us they heard a huge loud boom here in the Dover Hill area, Ozark Christian College. And we arrived, no one was here on the scene, and we've got some pictures that we share. If you tap your screen and click that bit link. There are a lot of pictures. It's so dark out here. But nobody is injured, obviously. It's in the middle of the train. It's not like it's a locomotive or anything. Unknown how long the train actually is. CPKC crews arrived and able to light up the area a little bit more for us, but once again, we're on private property. We're not on train property. So we're just north of the gas company. It used to be Al's Gas, not sure the name of it now. A propane company. They have a little access road back here to the creek. It appears to be one rail car, but I'm no expert and I didn't get up close, so I will have more details as they become available. I'm at KOAM News now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. If you could share this, we'd appreciate it. Let others know. Keeping you up to date with what's happening where you live. That's who we are. And it'll be a major operation. CPKC will have to get this line back open here quickly. And it's a busy line here in Joplin. We'll keep you up to date right here. Thanks for sharing our stories. I'm Shannon Becker, Joplin News First. Oh, maybe I can share a couple of pictures. I think I can show you pictures like while I'm live here. Maybe that'll help. So you can see this. A little bit better picture. It's actually about the same view we're looking at right now, but the camera, it lights it up a lot better. And it's actually dangling over the water. You can see at the bottom there, that's the water in the lower right. Be a normal fishing spot for a lot of people. This is an up and down picture. You can see that's our flashlight kind of bright there in the middle, but there's water there at the bottom, and it's dangling over the water. Cars are still inside the train car. There's some crews here on the north side of the bridge. Can't really see them in the trees in the dark. And then this is the south side of the bridge you're taking a look at. It's almost like the train car kind of is just skimmed off the top. It's the wheels, it appears, are still on the bridge with the base of the train car. What appears here to be a BNSF logo, if you can kind of see that. BNSF, regularly they could have different kind of train cars on the CPKC track and train. So once again, here is when we just been here a few minutes, a CPKC truck arrived. We could take a photo there in the dark, see what appears to be the base of the car still on the track, on the trestle bridge, but hang off the west side would be the rest of the top of the car. Thanks for sharing our stories. KOEM News Now, Joplin News First. Will not be impeding any traffic or anything here where we are. Like I said, we're on private property adjacent to the railroad property. You can hear North Main Street behind us. It's the far north section by the propane company there on North Main Street. You got Head Start, which used to be Revival Fires, and the propane company, and then a creek. I'll put a map in the article for you in a few minutes, but this is looking north here. The little blue dot is where I am on private property, and then the train trestle is there right to the left of that blue. And then North Main Street is right there to the lower right. There's an app that tells me property lines so we don't trespass in situations like this. KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. Thanks for sharing our stories, all right? More coming up. It's developing breaking news situation. Train derailment in North Joplin over Turkey Creek.